Step into the world of creativity and imagination as we proudly present an exhibition before all of you for the year 2023 to 2024. Hello everyone, myself Miss Rashmi Anand Desai from Our Lady of Grace High School Bicholim is very excited and overjoyed to welcome you all for an exhibition titled Beyond Boundaries, a multidisciplinary exhibition showcasing the vibrant works of talented artists in various faculties of our school, Our Lady of Grace High School Bicholim. Friends, in one corner you can see the importance of literature in Konkani, Marathi, Urdu, and in another corner you can see about Hindi, the different games displayed over there. One side you can see West out of paste, your colorful rangolis, the different arts which have different meanings, the importance of millets. Last year only, the International Year of Millets was held, as you all know. After that, you can see about mathematics. Here it is written, millets are so yummy, so healthy, just like a beautiful fruit or ice cream maybe. And after that, we come to our mathematics session. Under here, you can see different mathematicians who really contributed towards our favorite subjects, mathematics. Here, join us as we explore the diversity in all the different fields of our life, innovative techniques which will inspire the audience from all the different ages. And here, I welcome you all in this expressive journey of artistry and expression. Thank you all, and maybe you enjoy and learn so many things from my exhibition. Thank you.
हांव फादर आंतोनियो पेरेरा. म्हजो जल्म शिरले सालसेट हांगा जाल्लो. ल्हानपणासान म्हाका कोंकणी भाशेचें खूब आवड आसलें. गोंयची आनी गोंयकाराची उदरगत जावचे खातीर हांवें रोमी तशेंच देवनागरी लिपीत जायतें लिखन केलां. दिवचलेच्या आवर लेडी ऑफ ग्रेस शाळेचे हांवेनूच बुन्याद घाली. हिंदू, क्रिस्तांव, मुस्लीम धर्माच्या साबार लोकांनी एकठांय येवन एका पाक्यापणान शिक्षे हो म्हजो ध्यास आसलो. देव बरें करूं.
म्हजें नांव वामन रघुनाथ शेणे वर्दे वालावलीकर, पूण लोक म्हाका शेणे गोंयबाब म्हूण वळखता. म्हाजो जल्म दिवचल हांगा जाल्लो. म्हाका कोंकणी भाशेचो महापुरुश मानता. म्हाका कोंकणी भास वयर सरिल्ली जाय आशिल्ली. कोंकणी भाशेची उदरगत जावपा खातीर हांवें कोंकणी भाशेंत खुबश्यो पुस्तकां बरयता. देव बरें.
नारियल का पेड़ सबसे उपयोगी पेड़ों में से एक है. हिंदू धर्म में नारियल को बहुत शुभ माना जाता है. नारियल को श्रीफल भी कहते हैं. मंदिरों और पूजा पाठ में इसका उपयोग किया जाता है. हरे नारियल का पानी बहुत ही मीठा और पौष्टिक होता है. इसका सेवन करने से अनेक बीमारियों से बचा जा सकता है. नारियल में प्रोटीन, विटामिन, मैग्नीशियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम जैसे पोषक तत्व पाए जाते हैं.
सूखे नारियल से तेल बनाया जाता है जो हमारे बालों और त्वचा के लिए बहुत उपयोगी होता है. सूखा नारियल खाने से पाचन तंत्र मजबूत होता है और खून की कमी दूर होती है. नारियल के पेड़ से झोपड़ी, दरी, रस्सी, चटाई, टोकरी, ब्रश, पंखे, पायदान आदि अनेक प्रकार की वस्तुएं बनाई जाती हैं. नारियल के छिलके से कई खिलौने तथा सजावट की वस्तुएं बनाई जाती हैं. नारियल से अनेक प्रकार की मिठाइयाँ, लड्डू, चटनी आदि बनाई जाती हैं. इसलिए नारियल के पेड़ को कल्पवृक्ष कहा जाता है. धन्यवाद.
Kindly have a look on some of the recipes of they are of mouth-watering of millets.
Here is a pictorial form highlighting the importance of millets.
This is our mathematical project dealing with many shapes and volumes. Here we have cuboid and cube. This shows many volumes, total surface area and lateral surface area. We come across many types of formulas in our day-to-day life. Thank you.
There are many famous temples in Goa. Here are some of the temples of Goa. This is Sri Shantadurga temple that is located in Bicholim. This is the Tamdisulla temple which is located in Fonda Taluka. And this is the Mangeshi temple which is also located in Fonda Taluka. Thank you.
नमस्ते. आप सभी कभी ना कभी तो मेले में गए होंगे. आपने इस सर के चरखी झूला तो देखा ही होगा. इस शिल्प पर आज शब्द के बीच सवार है, जैसे सर्वनाम, विशेषण के क्रियापद. और इस पर आप देख भी सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कुछ लिखे हुए हैं. धन्यवाद.
नमस्ते. हमारे हिंदी के पाठ्य पुस्तक में एक पाठ है जिसका नाम है आओ बोंडला चले. आपका स्वागत है बोंडला में. धन्यवाद.
My name is Zohe. And my name is Saish. And we are from Standard 7C. And we are saying few words on traditional occupation of Goa.
traditional occupation of Goa, namely farming, fishing, bakery, pottery, barber, and so on.
In ancient time, farming was carried on large scale in Goa. You can see the different tools used by the people in early days and at present are being displayed. Fishing was the main occupation of the people living in coastal villages. As we all know, the staple food of Goa is rice and fish curry.
Toddy Tapper. Toddy Tapper in Goa is known as Renden. Toddy Tapper climb a tree thrice in a day. The routine of collecting sour being very early in the morning and is again collected in the evening. The toddy is in high demand during festive occasion. People make their sanas, jaggery, vinegar, fenny out of sour.
Baker is called Pader in Goa. He is someone who awaits every day for a delicious and steaming bread. Pader have a variety of bread to offer. The soft regular pav, the round crisp bread with a slight layer of wheat husk is poe, crunchy bangles called kaknas, and steaming bread or katriyancho pav.
Pottery. Pottery is one of Goa's oldest crafts. Goan potters have been known to provide temples with clay lamps and cooking vessels. Thank you.
A very good morning. I am Shriya from Standard 9 and welcome you to the history section, the monuments of Goa depicting the beauty of Goa's architecture. To begin with, we have here Sri Shantadurga Temple, Bicholim. This temple was built in the year 1905. The resident celebrates Navasomar in the honor of deity Sri Shantadurga. Every Monday there is a procession of the deity Sri Shantadurga. Then we come on to the next temple, that is the Tamri Sulla temple. It is the oldest temple of Goa. It was built during the 12th century in the time of the Kadamba by the Yadava dynasty. The unique feature of this Tamri Sulla temple is that it was built with the black basalt stone. Then we come on to the Mangeshi temple. The 450 years old Mangeshi temple is well known across all over India. This temple is located in the Mangeshi village in the Ponda Taluka. It has a 7-story Deepastham and also a Nandi bull. Then we have the Martyrs Memorial located at Azad Maidan. It is a homage to all the soldiers. Then we come on to the Safa Masjid. It was built by Ibrahim Adil Shah in the year 1560. It is one of the oldest mosques of Goa. Then we come on to the Basilica of Bom Jesus, Old Goa. It is one of the 7 wonders of the Portuguese origin in the world. It was built in the year 1594 and completed in the year 1605. Then we come on to the Jama Masjid. It is one of the famous masjid of Goa.
Hello sir, my name is Dipal and our project is about properties of geometrical shapes. This is a right triangle the angle is always 90 degree. The opposite sides to 90 degree is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, and the other two sides to 90 degree is called the perpendicular and the base. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Chavez. I am from Our Lady of Brigades High School. Our project is based upon rotational symmetry. When a geometrical shape turned around with a fixed axis and the shape is identical to the origin, it is known to exhibit rotational symmetry, also called as radical symmetry. Here are 5 different types of shape showing rotational symmetry. Hexagon order 6 degree 60, rectangle order 2 degree 180, circle order infinite degree 360, square order 4 degree 60. And here are some of the figures showing used in our daily life. Hexagon soccer ball, rectangle blades of a ceiling fan, circle tires of bicycle, square dice, equilateral triangle, windmill. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Afifa Sheikh, and this exhibit helps us to study some properties of geometrical shapes. This is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two sides is always congruent to each other, and the third side, which is unequal to the isosceles triangle, is called the base of the isosceles triangle, and the other sides of the isosceles triangle, which is unequal, which is equal to each other. Thank you.
Myself, Adam. The topic of my maths project is properties of circles. Now, in this first circles, angles subtended by equal chords are equal. For example, AB is equal to CD. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. In this next circle, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of a circle. For example, OP is equal to OQ. In this last circle, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. For example, OA perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, PA is equal to AQ. Thank you and have a nice day.
My project is based on application of trigonometry. As we have learned the values of sine, cosine, tan, cot and sec, let us focus on the value of tan. Tan is calculated as opposite side upon the adjacent side. The value of tan 0 degree is 0. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 60 degree is root 3 and tan 90 degree is not yet defined. In this project, we will use the value of tan to find the unknown height of the pole, tree and the building. This is the protractor which we will use to measure the angles. We will adjust it in such a way that this light falls on the tip of the pole and it forms 60 degree angle, so that we can use the value of tan 60 to find the unknown height. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3. We know the base, it is 23 centimeters. After calculating, we get the unknown height as 39 centimeters. Similarly, with the tree we will do. Here it forms 30 degree angle. So we'll use the value of tan 30 degree to find the height. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. We know the base, it is 48 centimeter. After calculating, we get the height as 29 centimeter. Similarly with the building, we will find the height till this point. Here it forms 45 degree angle. We know the base, it is 34 centimeter. After calculating with using the value of tan 45, we get the height of the building as 34 centimeter. Trigonometry has a wide range, such as measurements of land mass in geography to find the distance of celestial body object, as well as in navigation. Thank you, sir, for giving me your precious time and listening to this information.
sir. My name is Gausmadin Nadaf. I am standard from 9th E. My maths project is on sector and segment of a circle. Here, what is a sector? Sector is a region between two radii and arc. Here is a major sector and here is a minor sector. Next we have segment. What is a segment? Segment is a region between two arc and chord. Here is a major segment and here is a minor segment. Next we have tangent. What is a tangent? Tangent is a line touching from a circle. And here we have a chord, a line segment joining two points lying on the circle. And here we have diameter. Diameter is a longest chord of a circle. And last we have arc. Arc is a piece of a circle. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Priyanshu Nishan and I am studying in Standard 7. My project explained the different parts of a circle. A circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane equidistant from the center. First is circumference. Circumference is the boundary of a circle. Second is radius. Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to its circumference. Third is chord. Chord is the line segment whose end points both lie on a circle. And last is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord that passes through the center of the circle. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Ms. Safa, welcome you to have a glance at our science section Beyond Boundaries on the topic Millets, a superfood for super health.
Millets are the small seeded grasses belonging to the botanical family Poaceae. Millets are also known as coarse cereals. The difference between cereals and millets is that cereals are the grasses giving large seeded grains, whereas millets are the small grain grasses. So, the question that often hits our mind is, why are millets given international recognition? So, here is my friend Neeti to tell you something about millets.
Thank you, Riddhi. Millets are often called nutri-cereals due to the high content of protein, fiber, micronutrients and phytochemicals. Here are some examples of millets. Have a look. Thank you.
Due to the numerous health benefits of millets, they are called the marvel grain of the future. Millets are gluten-free. And what is gluten? It is a protein composite found in grains like wheat and barley. And why it is bad for us? Gluten promotes inflammation in the body, which could lead to digestive issues, autoimmune diseases, depression, and disrupted brain functioning.
Millet wari cures depression and lowers blood pressure. Millet bajra, good for diabetes and lowers cholesterol and also rich in vitamin A. Millet kodo, excellent for strengthening the nervous system. Millet jowar, reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases and colon cancer. Millet ragi, helps in strengthening and development of the bones.
To commemorate the International Year of Millet, a 5-day millet food festival was organized in school. Here are the glimpses of the same. To commemorate the International Year of Millet, a 5-day food festival was organized in the school. Here are the glimpses of the same.
Kindly have a look on some of the millet food items made by students. And these are also available for sale. move towards a sustainable future, it is important to understand the potential of millets as a valuable food crops. Hence, there is an urgent need to promote the nutritional benefits of millets. Sir, we will be glad if you pose for a photograph and promote the importance of millets. Thank you, sir, for patient listening.
We are here to present our work upon plastic, a boon or a bane, and to also solve problems related to plastic. Plastic is versatile and they can be used to make variety of things. For example, we have made a robot of plastic bottles. Plastic is made up of polymers. Polymers are long chain handed to each other. The advantages of plastics are cheaper, lightweight, durable and flexible. Now Cyrus will tell about the types of plastic.
There are different types of plastic in the world. The first type of plastic is PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It is the most commonly used plastic. Examples of PET are soda bottles and water bottles. The second type of plastic is HDP, high density polyethylene. It is the most versatile plastic. Examples of HDP are buckets and toys. The third type of plastic is PVC. It is used in plumbing pipes and credit cards. The fourth type of plastic is LDP, low density terephthalate. It is the most flexible plastic. Examples of LDP are grocery bags, etc. The fifth type of plastic is PP, polypropylene. It has the most melting point. Examples of PP are plastic tablewares and butter tubs. The sixth type of plastic is PS, polyester. It is the most environmental harmful plastic. And examples of PS are thermocol, etc. Now here is Chaitanya, who will tell us more about plastic.
Plastic is ubiquitous, cheap and convenient, but come with a hidden cost. They contaminate our food and drink and create enduring pollution. Over 1 lakh animals die due to plastics, so we should use cloth or paper bags while going to the market.
Since we are facing a huge plastic problem, we need to find ways to solve this problem. And one such way is the recycling of plastic to make road tar. Recycled plastic is replacing bitumen and reducing constructional cost and producing better quality roads with less maintenance requirement. Shredded plastic waste is scattered onto an aggregate of crushed stones and sand before being heated up to 170 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt the waste. At last, bitumen is added to solidify the mixture and the tar is ready. In addition, there are many other ways of reducing the plastic waste, such as
rethink, refuse, reduce the use of plastic materials as much as possible. In addition, you can reuse the plastic to make new and better items such as artifacts and plastic materials. I finally end with the statement that the best way to solve the plastic waste problem is to avoid using plastic as much as possible. Thank you.
If you are concerned with the idea, you can support us by buying cloth bags worth rupees 50, paper bags rupees 10, and by clicking photo rupees 10.
I am from Our Lady of Grace High School, Bicholim. This model helps us to study the formulas of areas and perimeters of some 2D shapes. For example, square, where all the sides are equal and taken as A. So the perimeter formula of square is 4 into A. And area is A into A, means side into side.
My name is Utkarsh Ladko Naik. My school name is Our Lady of Grace High School. My project is based on area and formulas of different types of quadrilaterals. For example, top of the table is of rectangle. Similarly, photo frames and doors are of rectangle and square. We have these formulas of square, side multiplied by side, parallelogram, half multiplied by base multiplied by height, rectangle, length multiplied by breadth, trapezium, height, bracket, breadth, plus a upon 2, kite, half bracket d1 plus d2. Thank you.
My name is Vedan. I am from Our Lady of Grace High School. My project is a 3-dimension shape has 3 dimensions. Some example of 3D shapes are cube. A real life example of cube is Rubik cube and die. A real life example of cuboid is book and box. A real life example of cone is carrot and ice cream cone. A cylinder is a gas cylinder and bucket. Triangular prism is an example of a triangular prism is an example of tent. In this project, we are giving information about 3D shapes. If we remove this cone, it gives faces 6, edges 0, vertices 0. Cube has faces 6, edges 12 and vertices 8. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Sejal Verma. I am from class 9th A. My project is based on angles on parallel lines. When two lines are said to lie parallel, if their perpendicular distance is always the same between the two lines, while a transversal in a line which intersect two parallel lines, the properties of angles are alternate exterior angles are equal, same side exterior angles are equals to 180 degree, corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, same side interior angles are equals to 180 degree. Thank you.
I am Pratiksha Patil from 7th D. My project is on angle sum property of triangle. The angle sum property of triangle tells us that when we add all the 3 angles of a triangle, the answer should be 180 degree. Since all the 3 angles are now in a straight line, their sum becomes 180 degree. Thank you.
I am Stuti from class 7D. My project is on algebraic expression. It focuses on the identities of algebraic expression. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Thank you.
I am Tanaya Kulkarni from 7D. My project is about exterior angle property of triangles. Exterior angle property states that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the 2 remote interior angles.
So this 110 and 70 is equal to 180 degrees. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Tanvi Rane. I am from class 7th B. You can see this project based on algebraic expression. These are algebraic expression and their terms. So we have to roll this model and find the terms of this expression. For example, you can see x minus 3 is there. So the terms are x and negative 3. So second one is 1 plus x squared. So the second one is 1x and x squared. So that's why third one is y minus y square is there. So the example is y minus y square. So you can see the fourth one. So fourth one is 5x y plus z is there. So the answer is 5xy plus z is there. So fifth one is 2b square minus 3a square. So the terms are 2b square minus 3a square. So the last one is minus ab minus 3a square. So the answer is minus ab minus 3a square. Thank you.
My project is based on additive inverse of a number. The additive inverse of a number is defined as the value in which adding with the original number the result is. In simple words, the additive inverse of a number is also called the opposite of it. For example, the additive inverse of 6 is minus 6 and the additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. Look at the example displayed in the project. The additive inverse of minus 5 upon 9 is 5 upon 9. And the additive inverse of minus 2 upon 8 is minus 2 upon 8. Thank you.
Good morning. This exhibit is based on multiplicative inverse, that is 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. A multiplicative inverse is a reciprocal. A reciprocal is one of a pair of numbers that when multiplied with another number gives the number 1. 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1 and the answer is 1. 9 upon minus 5 is minus 5 upon 9 and here the answer is 1. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Sangharsh Madhukar Gaikwad. I am in 8th standard. These exhibits help to remember cube and cube root up to numbers 10. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. And we can also learn cube root. Cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 343 is 7. Thank you.
I am Avnim. I am in 8th standard. My exhibit is multiplication calculator. It helps me to memorizing times table. For example, if I want to study 7 times table, seventh row and 7th column gives me 49. 8 times 7 gives me 56. 9 times 7 gives me 63. And so on. Thank you.
I am Asta. We should be friend with number in order to understand maths. Numbers are of various kind. This exhibit shows us. This exhibit tells us the numbers. First is prime number. The remaining are non-prime numbers. Second is even numbers and others are odd numbers. Third is composite and non-composite numbers. Thank you.
Very good morning to you. My name is Zareen Sayed and I am from Our Lady of Grace High School, Standard 8B. So, Goa was under Portuguese rule for more than 450 years. So, today as a tribute, we have sketches drawn by Standard 8 of a few freedom fighters. For like, we have Dr. Tristão Braganza Cunha, known as also TB Cunha. He was the Goan nationalism. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Vatsala Kirtani, who raised the slogan Jai Hind, Sudhata Joshi, Purushottam Kakodkar, and Mohan Nanare. Thank you.
I am Ayushri. Here we have some famous forts of Goa. Here we have the Agwat Fort. It was constructed in the year 1612 in Kandoli by the Portuguese to guard against the Dutch. The fort lighthouse, erected in the year 1864, is the oldest of its kind in Asia. Here we have the famous Famagudi Killa of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It was built in the year 1546 by Adil Shah. This is the Kojuem Fort and this is the Res Magos Fort. It was built in 1493 by Adil Shah, Shahi Sultan of Birjapur. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Zohaib.
And my name is Saish. And we are from Standard 7C.
And we are saying few words on traditional occupation of Goa. Traditional occupation of Goa, namely farming, fishing, bakery, pottery, barber, toddy tapping, and so on.
In ancient time, farming was carried on large scale in Goa. You can see the different tools used by the people in early days and at present are being displayed. Fishing was the main occupation of the people living in coastal villages. As we all know, the staple food of Goa is rice and fish curry.
Toddy tapper. Toddy tapper in Goa is known as Rendin. Toddy tapper climb a tree thrice in a day. The routine of collecting sir being very early in the morning and is again collected in the evening. The toddy is in high demand during festive occasion. People make their sanas, jaggery, vinegar, feni out of sir.
Baker is called Pader in Goa. He is someone who awaits every day for a delicious and steaming bread. Pader have a variety of bread to offer. The soft regular pav, the round crisp bread with a slight layer of wheat husk is poe. Crunchy bangers called kaknas and scissored bread or katri anso pav.
Pottery is one of Goa's oldest craft. Goan potters have been known to provide temples with clay lamps and cooking vessels. Thank you.
I am part from the class 8A and our project is on the formulas of the lesson measuration. So here we have the best use boards. Can you hold? Because I have to show this one. So here we have. So if this light will indicate that your answer is wrong or correct. So here I have area of trapezium. See. Light is glowing. If I did wrong, so it will not glow. This is light that tells that your answer is correct or wrong. Do you want to try? So here we have area of triangle. So this one is correct one. And I shifted on the wrong one, that it will not glow. See. This one is correct one.
My name is Taslima Sheikh and I am from Standard 7. My project is on modes of transport. There are 4 major modes of transport such as roadways, railways, airways and waterways. Roadways are commonly used by people for short distance. Railway carry heavy goods and earth over long distance. Airways is the fastest means of transport in which people can travel from one place to another in shorter period of time. Waterway carry bulky goods and heavy goods over long distances on the seas. Thank you.
Myself Shaitali Chari from Standard 8. Today I am going to tell you more about what is geothermal energy or how does geothermal energy power plant works. Just a few miles below our feet lies enough energy that can meet the whole world's demand. It is called as geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the heat energy from the Earth's inner core. Geothermal resources are reservoirs of hot water that exist deep inside the Earth's surface. Sometimes this heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot spring. First, the heat or the hot water is stored in the flash tank. From that, the steam is passed to the turbine. That the turbine starts to move. From that, the electricity is generated. Geothermal resources in the form of hot spring can also be used for cooking, heating and bathing also. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Priya Ramesh Shapurkar from 6C. We are representing our solar system. Our solar system has one sun, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as astronauts and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. There are 8-9 planets in the solar system. In the distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the 8 planets move around the sun in a fixed path. They are called orbits. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Moina Sheikh from class 8A, and we have made this project, and this project is based on wind energy, and this project aims to explore the principles of wind energy and propose a plan to generate electricity. When the windmill moves, the electricity is generated. Thank you, that's all.
My name is Rukmini Gaurav Chenvankar from class 6A, representing our topic plains. Plains are large stretches of flat lands. They are generally not more than 200 meters above the mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level and others can be slightly rolling. Here, construction of transportation network is comparatively easier. Thank you.
My project is based on pollution. Our model shows 2 types of pollution, air and water. It shows how industries cause air pollution and how the same industries dispose their waste in rivers, and the same industries also cause water pollution.
My project name is Landforms. The earth have infinite varieties of landforms such as mountains, plains, plateau, etc. A mountain is a natural evolution of the earth's surface. A plateau is a flat land. It is a flat top tableland stand above the surrounding area. A plains are a large stretch of flat land. A tributary are a small river which is flow into bigger river. An island is a part of land which is surrounded by water. Thank you.
Good morning. My project is based on a solar cooker. A solar cooker is a device that uses heat to cook food. We use the aluminium foil. As all know, aluminium foil sunlight reflect into box. It creates heat into your box. We use the concave mirror. As we all know, mirror reflect in a single focal point. So the concave mirror in the solar cooker to use the observe all the incidence, heat and reflect a single focal point. Thank you. My project is based on waterfall. A waterfall is any point in a river or a stream where water flows in a vertical section of a series or a steep drop. Waterfalls are generally formed at the upper course of the river as a result of the erosion. The wavy away earth is.
The wavy away means washing away of the earth through the air, water and wind. So it wash away the stones and all.
It erodes soft rock more quicker than the hard rock. This may lead to the creation of the waterfall.
As soft rocks are lighter and the hard rocks are hard. That's why it erodes soft rocks more quickly than the hard rock, and it takes a bit time to erode the hard rocks. First the river flows, then the hard rocks and soft rocks come, and the way it gets settled towards it, and it erodes the soft rocks much quickly than the hard rocks.
Good morning, myself Master Dagati from class 6. Our name of the project is Rotation and Revolution of Earth. As everybody knows, the Earth spins. The Earth also spins like this. This motion is called revolution. It takes approximately 365 days to complete one revolution. But sometimes it also takes 366 days to complete one revolution. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. 2024 is a leap year because it has 366 days instead of 365. Circle that divides day from night is called circle of illumination. As you see, it is forming over here. This doesn't go inside with the axis of the earth. Lastly, what do you think would happen if the earth stops spinning? The portion facing the sun would experience constant day and thus bringing continuous heat, while the other part will always experience darkness and will be freezing cold. Life would not be possible in such hard conditions. Thank you.
My name is Vaishnavi Gavas.
And my name is Rudransh Gaukar.
And this is our project Volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, volcano ash and gases escape. Beneath a volcano, a liquid magma containing dissolved gases rises through cracks in the earth's crust. As the magma rises, pressure decreases, allowing the gases to form bubbles. The main cause for a volcanic eruption is the change in pressure within the volcano, forcing the magma to overflow the chamber it is holding.
And now we are showing our project Volcano.
Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. I am here to present to you the 5 types of drainage pattern. The first one is dendritic pattern. It is formed on land with flow of river. Dendritic system is formed in V-shaped valleys. It is most common type of pattern and looks similar to the branches of the trees. And the second one is rectangular drainage pattern. It is a drainage pattern marked by right angle bends and functions. The third one is parallel drainage pattern. It develops in regions of steep slopes with some reliefs. The streams are swift and straight due to steep slopes. And the fourth one is trellis drainage pattern. It is a form where hard and soft rock exist. Tributaries form in approximately right angles to each other. And the fourth one is radial drainage pattern. It is mostly formed on hills and the hilly regions of India. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Sanvi from class 7. So here we have the earth, interior of the earth. So here we have the first layer of the earth. It's called crust. It's also known as the lithosphere. Earth crust is very important and variable part of the whole interior. It provides us with some natural resources called environment, nature. Second, we have mantle. It transfers the heat and materials. Its mantle play a demurring landscape of the whole interior. Third, we have the outer core. Outer core set it on the voluntary convection, chewing materials of the whole interior. It creates the earth as a magnetic field. Last, we have the inner core. It also makes earth as a magnetic field, motions and driving of the fields. So, thank you.
Good morning. My name is Avnish Sharma Baker, and my model is sea waves. Sea waves are the result of the wind blowing across the surface of the ocean, transferring energy to the water. This can come in various forms like swell waves, rug waves, and wind wave. Factors such as wind speed, duration, and fetch. These can play a crucial role in coastal processes, navigation, and ocean circulation. Thank you.
My name is Sahil Kumar. I am from Standard 6B. This project shows us day and night phenomenon. Once every 24 hours, Earth rotates on its axis, taking all of us with it. As we move to the side facing the sun, we experience daytime, and the area facing the moon experience nighttime. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Hatif from 9C and the topic is river system. Did you know river system is also known as drainage system? It is pattern formed when a river, stream or a lake flows in a particular drainage basin. It is influenced by topography of land, whether it is composed of soft or hard rocks. It is also influenced by the grain of soil. Source is where the river begins to flow. Meander is the place where the river flows in a curvy, bendy-like path like a snake. Tributary is a smaller river that joins the main river. Confluence is the point where the tributary and the main river joins to form a larger river. Levee is a small land which may be a natural or man-made which prevents water from going where we don't want the water to go. River is a large stream with fresh flowing water. channel is a relatively less smaller area with relatively less amount of water. Estuary is a place where the fresh water and the sea water meets. Mouth is a place where the river flows into a larger river, lake, or the ocean. Delta is a wetland formed because of this mouth. And Oxbow Lake is a very special feature of the rivers because this is a remnant of the curve in the river. Oxbow Lake is formed when there is nothing in the path of the river continues to bend until it meets at a point where it can take a shorter path. And this remains as a Oxbow Lake, and hence we call it Oxbow Lake.
My name is Alina Khan and I am from 8th B. Here I am going to explain about the biogas. Biogas is nothing but a natural way of producing electricity, and it is also used in cooking purpose. Actually, biogas is a human excreta, animal waste, etc. and it is stored in a long jar for 2 months for fermentation for slurry. Actually, it is a anaerobic microorganism is used in this biogas process and produces methane and carbon dioxide gas. Biogas is used in cooking, heating, lighting and agriculture purpose also. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is the Arduino Uno robot car with the help of ultrasonic sensor and the Bluetooth module.
So good morning, sir. The first part here, it is known as the motor control driver. With the help of this driver, we get power to all the 4 wheels. The second part, it is known as the Arduino Uno. We have programmed it using this computer. So the main function of that part is, for example, if an obstacle comes in front of this car, this ultrasonic sensor will detect it and stop the car there itself. This feature is also known as ADAS in real cars. Then the second part here, it is known as the Bluetooth control module. With the help of that, you are able to control this car using your mobile phones. And there are 3 specific functions for this car. The one is obstacle avoidance. The second part is the Bluetooth control, and the third part is the voice control. Which function would you like to see, sir? Okay, sir, we'll show you the voice control first. We have to give commands to this phone and the car will come. So the first command will show you is forward.
We have to say that forward, backward for the car to move.
Backward.
Sir, you want to see the obstacle avoiding? Yes, we can show. All the further we have to do the code in that. We will show you. Sir, it will sense obstacles. Someone comes in front, it will send a sense and it will go on the free road. You can see that is the ultrasonic sensor which is sensing the obstacles.
This is the ultrasonic sensor. It detects the objects or obstacles in front of it and changes its directions on its own.
We have done it in one day. The wiring work he had done. We have distributed the work. This is the base that I have done, and this wiring and code he had done.
Whole thing I have done.
Yes, that code we have done. This we have managed in one day only.
We have also taken some help from our friends and Google. So we have ordered all these parts online and got some parts from offline stores also, and we bought them all together and assembled them.
We have used the apps to control the car, like Bluetooth control. Now we have shown you, and voice control. That obstacle avoiding it is automatically of the code by using. No.
We did it on our own.
We did it on own.
Welcome to our work education stall. These all exhibits are made from wealth out of waste and like cardboards and all. So everything is made by our students. Yes. Thank you.
And here now about the history section of Goa. Here, as you know, that Goa was under the Portuguese rule for nearly 151 years. Here, on one hand, we have a tribute to our Goan freedom fighters, which include Ram Manohar Lohia, Vatsala Kirtani and other freedom fighters. On one hand, we have monuments of Goa, the beauty of Goan architecture. On another hand, we have traditional occupation, a fabric of Goan culture, wherein you can see about pottery and other projects which are done by our creative students of my school, Our Lady of Grace High School, Bicholim, Goa. Hope you all enjoy our exhibition. Thank you.
Welcome to our work education stall. These all exhibits are made from wealth out of waste and like cardboards and all. So everything is made by our students.
everyone, my name is Saicha Naik from Standard 9. I would like to thank everyone who have came here to witness our exhibition. I hope you will all like it just as we enjoyed doing it. A big thank you to our headmistresses and teachers for giving us a platform to showcase our talents. I would also like to thank my friends who toiled hard to bring out their talents through these various exhibits. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank Harold for taking our talents a step ahead. Once again, thank you. This is Saicha Naik signing off.